Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the new Page Builder feature in TechSite Builder. So here we are in the dashboard screen where we edit our pages. Now the Page Builder is available on your pages, your blog posts, as well as your services pages. So when you're here, you can add the Page Builder elements to existing pages, or you can create a new page. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Page Builder elements to my existing About page. So you'll click the Page Builder tab here in the editor. When you click on that, it will launch the Page Builder on the front end. So the first thing you'll notice, I think for you guys, if it's your first time launching the Page Builder, you'll get a pop-up that says you don't have any templates, and it'll ask you if you want to create some templates. We'll get into that in another video. You can exit out of that window for now. When you do that, you'll get to this screen where on the right hand side you'll see all of the different modules that you can drag onto your screen on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side of course you have your page, and then at the top you have buttons for your templates, your tools, and then when you're done. So right now what you'll do is if you want to add some, basically what I want to do is I want to add 3 columns to the bottom of my page. So I'll scroll down to the bottom of my page, and you'll see when I highlight over my page now I have some different options here for the row and then for the content inside the row. What I'm going to do, I'll just scroll to the bottom, I'll click on row layouts, and I have some different options to choose from for layouts. I'll choose the 3 columns and just drag it over, and you'll see a box, blue box appears where I can drop my 3 columns. So I'm going to put that way down at the bottom here. Now you'll see I have 3 outlined boxes. Those are my columns, and now I can drag whatever I want into those columns. So for example, I might want to have a heading at the top, and then a box opens where I can put in the edit the content of whatever module I just added. So here it's asking for the heading I want to add. This will be box number 1. I can have it link. In this case I'm not going to. I have some different style options. I can change the color if I want to, maybe to a nice TechSite Builder green. And then I will copy that color so I know that I can reuse it later. And then some other options, what tag do I want to use, the alignment, what kind of font I want to use, etc. So lots of different options there, and then some advanced features to add some margins around my module, and some other options there that we won't get into now. When I'm done with my choices, I'll click Save, and then I'll go up here, click Add Content. That brings back the right hand side choices here. Then I'll add a heading to this box, box number 2, and I'll make it the same color by pasting in that code that I copied earlier. Click Save, and then I could, to make it even easier, just click the little duplicate icon here, and that will duplicate the box, and then I can click on the heading. Then I can click on the arrow here to move it over to the 3rd column, and then from there I can click the wrench icon to edit and change the title to box number 3. So now I have 3 titles, and now click Add Content. I can add maybe an image to each of these. So I can throw in a quick image from my media library. I'll select the photo, and in this case I'll choose one of my images that I use for the service boxes. It's a good size to use in this case as well. So I'll select the photo, save, and then I will go ahead and duplicate that and drop that into each of my boxes here. There we go. And then I can click Edit to swap out the photo. Click Replace. Maybe I'll put in that one, and I'll swap this one for another one. All of these images are available in the stock photo library in your dashboard. Just a reminder that that is there for you. Alright, and then I've got my images, and then finally I'm going to add a block of text. is a block of text. All right, and then I'll save that, and I'll duplicate that again to slide it over to my other boxes. And there you have it. Now I have a nice column, 3-column layout. The cool thing about this is it is fully responsive. So if I were to drag my window, so let me get rid of that stuff in the background. If I were to drag my window into a cell phone size, you can see the boxes stack on top of each other nice and neatly. If I grow again, those boxes fit to fill the space. So it's all mobile responsive, and you have lots of different options here. The basic modules are probably the ones you'll use most often, but we've got a lot of cool advanced modules, things like accordions, call to actions, content slider, countdown, etc., etc. Lots of fun stuff there. And then you can also add any of your widgets, so things like the map of your business, the list of your services right there, your testimonials, or any of the other widgets that you can add to your sidebar. You can also add directly into your pages now. So this is a lot of fun. I hope you guys find a lot of cool stuff to do with this. One last thing, you can also save anything you've done if you want to redo it. So for example, if I want to save this 3-column with the box and the image and the text, I want to save that. I can do that by clicking on the editor there and then clicking Save As. So when I click Save As, I can give it a name. I'll call this 3-column with image. Global, that means that the rows and modules can be added to multiple pages and edited in one place. You don't necessarily need to do that, or you can if you want. Then I'll click Save. So now the row is saved, and now if I click Add Content, it shows up under Saved Rows, 3-column with image. So then I can just drag that into any of my pages, and it automatically plops that in there. So that's a cool way to save and reuse any elements that you create. When I'm done, I just click the Done button. I click Publish Changes. That will save the changes I just made, and now I can see those changes on my live site. I can see those columns there. All right, so stand by. We're going to be having a webinar to walk you through some details about the page builder. We're also going to be recording lots more videos in the future to go through in detail all of the stuff you can do with this page builder. There's a lot of stuff here, so just go ahead and dive into it, have some fun, play around with it, and then of course, don't hesitate to contact us in support if you have any issues or any major questions with the page builder. All right, guys, thanks for checking it out. Here's to your success.